Your business isn't slow, your cash is. So if your company is doing over 10 million a year and you still feel pressure between opportunity, revenue, and actual cash in the bank, then this message is specifically for you. You see, the real problem in many growing businesses isn't effort. It's not even demand. It's velocity. Deals sit too long in the pipeline, approvals drag, and execution slows down. Revenue looks good on paper, but cash arrives too late. And this creates pressure everywhere. Now, this is exactly why we've created Velocity 2026. Fix what's slowing revenue to cash. This is a closed door 2-day summit for serious business owners, founders, managing directors, and leadership teams in companies doing more than 10 million Rand annually. So at Velocity 2026, we will focus on 3 critical levers in your business: conversion velocity, invisible friction that's slowing your business down, and investor readiness. You'll leave with practical frameworks, sharper insights, and clear tools to help you compress the time between opportunity, revenue, and cash. This is not a generic conference. This is a precision room for serious operators who are ready to move faster, execute better, and build a stronger, more valuable business. There are only 100 seats available in this room, and we only have 20 VIP seats for close proximity. When a room is full, registrations will simply close. So if your business is growing, but cash still feels too slow, secure your seat right now. Let's not watch this game from the outside. I'm Stijn Rousseau, and I will see you at Velocity 2026.